how to show capital letters on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'll quickly show you how to display capital letters instead of lowercase letters on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Head over to settings, then go to accessibility and then scroll down, and under accessories go to keyboards and typing. Now under software keyboards you'll see show lowercase keys, so you'll need to toggle it off, and now your keyboard will only display uppercase letters. Just remember, you'll need to use the uppercase button to type capital letters. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.